This poem explores the theme of finding inner peace and clarity through the physical act of cleaning and organizing one's space. It's a powerful reflection on the interconnectedness of our external and internal worlds and the ways in which creating order can lead to a sense of calm and well-being. Cleaning my room as a way of fixing my thoughts. As I clear the clutter, dust and grime, my mind begins to unwind and thoughts align. The room, a reflection of my inner state, a mess of emotions now slowly create. With every item, a memory is tied. A story unfolds as the past collides. I sort and purge, letting go of the past, and in the silence my heart begins to last. The floor once hidden now shines bright, a symbol of my thoughts now freed from night. The air once thick now whispers peace. As order emerges, my soul releases. In every corner, a piece of me resides, a fragment of my heart where love abides. I tidy up. With each passing minute, my thoughts clarify like a river's fluent. The room, a canvas once a mess of art, now transformed, reflects the beauty in my heart. The colors vibrant, the space now free, a reflection of my soul, wild and carefree. As I work, my mind begins to heal. The clutter cleared, my thoughts reveal. A sense of calm, a peace that's true, a reflection of my heart, now anew. In the new fine space, I find my voice, a whisper of wisdom, a heartfelt choice, to let go of the chaos, the noise, the pain, and find solace in the silence, the calm, the gain. The room now tidy, a reflection of my mind, a sense of order, a peace that's one of a kind, a heaven of calm where love resides, a space where my heart now freely abides.